Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to jack up Kia Telluride. Position the vehicle on level ground, engage the parking brake, and chock wheels opposite the lift point. Locate the manufacturer jacking points near the pinch weld or differential, and loosen lug nuts slightly before lifting. Use a rated hydraulic jack and a quality jack stand under the reinforced jacking point, raise the vehicle slowly, and secure it with 2 stands for safety. Before lifting, identify the specific jacking points on the Telluride, usually near the pinch weld or the axle differential. Center the jack saddle on the reinforced spot and pump the hydraulic jack smoothly to raise the vehicle just enough to remove the wheel. Once raised, slide a rated jack stand into place and lower the vehicle onto the stand gently. Double-check stability and give the vehicle a small nudge to confirm secure support. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Also, a handy product I use for busy days is leak-proof meal prep containers that seal tightly and stack neatly for trunk storage. They make post-work repairs and snacks less messy. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing a set for convenience. Now let's get back to the video. After securing the vehicle on stands, fully remove the lug nuts and take off the wheel carefully. Inspect brake components, suspension, and underbody for damage or leaks while the wheel is off. When reinstalling, hand thread lug nuts first, then lower the vehicle slightly so tires touch the ground, and torque lug nuts to the manufacturer specification in a star pattern. Finally, remove chocks and test drive slowly to ensure proper handling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.